So if you want to recharge, you go to the recharge and you fill in how much you want to recharge. When you press 100 euros, it shows you under it how much USDT it will be. 113. You have to confirm it, and it will send you in a link where you have to copy the address. You just go to the Huobi. Come on. Go to your wallet. You go to the withdraw. USDT. You see your money there and you press it. So withdrawal address is the address we just copied from the link. So I paste this. We have to choose TRC20. And here we have to put exact amount, how much was there, USDT. Like here you see, you need 113 USDT. You just fill in 113 USDT. I don't have right now that much, so I cannot do that. And then you just press withdraw. When you press withdraw, it will just take you to the verify as with your SMS code and with your email. After that, it will be successfully. You have to wait 5-10 minutes and you will see that money in your Wind account. Then you can normally close this and you can just go back. And here, when you refresh it after 5-10 minutes, you will see the money there. Then you just go to the VIP area, and it depends of your balance. You can press the VIP level you're choosing, and you can just join with the buying with your balance. If I press here join, I have to choose if I want to deposit again or if I want to buy with balance, and I will press buy with balance. That's all.